Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox when it has stopped working. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and strong, as a weak signal can cause disruptions. A simple restart often resolves many unexpected software issues, so try closing Roblox completely and reopening it. If that does not work, restarting your entire computer can refresh system resources, providing a fresh start for your games. These initial steps are quick and frequently effective. Keeping your system optimized is crucial for smooth gaming performance. Always update your graphics drivers to their latest versions, as outdated drivers are a common cause of application crashes and errors. Clearing the Roblox cache files regularly can remove corrupted data that might be causing conflicts. Additionally, try running Roblox as an administrator. This grants the application all the necessary permissions it might need to function correctly, often resolving startup failures. These steps ensure your system is well prepared for Roblox. When general fixes do not work, more targeted solutions are needed. A complete uninstall and reinstall of the Roblox application often fixes deeply rooted issues by providing a fresh installation of all its components. Check your firewall settings to ensure Roblox is not being blocked, as security software can sometimes prevent games from connecting properly. Furthermore, disable any browser extensions or virtual private networks that might interfere with Roblox's connection, ensuring a direct and unhindered path. These focused actions specifically address potential Roblox software conflicts. If the problem continues after trying these solutions, it might be time for more advanced investigation. Double-check that your computer meets Roblox's minimum system requirements, as insufficient hardware can lead to crashes. If all else fails, reaching out to Roblox support directly with detailed information about your issue can provide personalized assistance. Additionally, performing a thorough system scan for malware or viruses is always a good practice, as malicious software can cause unexpected application behavior. Persistence and detailed communication will help resolve even the most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.